Welcome to our class. Today I am going to explaining School Has Begun poem. What is the lesson name? School Has Begun poem for third class children. The author name is Ken Nesbitt. Who is the author? Ken Nesbitt. Before that, which class you studied in previous year? Which class? Second class. How can you know you complete second class? How can you know? By writing annual exams. After exams, what will we get? After completion of the exams, what will we get? We get holidays. Which holidays? Summer holidays. In holidays, what will we do? What will we do? Only enjoy playing games, watching TV, like this. After holidays, again we will come back to school. What will we do in classrooms? After completion of the holidays, we will come to school. What will we do in classrooms? Again we will learn lessons, reading, writing, lunch break, all things are routine way. But one boy has got a dream this year going to be in a different way in school. Let's see what different ideas he got in his dream. See the first stanza. Dear students, the summer has ended. The school year at last has begun. But this year is totally different. I promise we will only have fun. Who told this stanza? The teacher said. What she said? Dear students, the summer has ended. We have completed our summer holidays. Before what I said, the little boy had got a dream. In the dream, what he has got? The teacher has promised him. The school year at last has begun. This year the school has begun. But this year is totally different. I promise we will only have fun. This year totally different. Okay, see? In this stanza, two rhyming words is there. See? What is that? Begun, fun. Begun, fun. These are the rhyming words. Let's see the second stanza. We won't study any mathematics. We won't study any mathematics. And recess will last all day long. And recess will last all day long. Instead of the pledge, P-L-E-D-Z-E, pledge of elegance, we will sing a rock and roll song. This year no subjects, no mathematics, no science, no. In generally, okay, next, and recess will last all day. In generally, the recess break have only 10 to 15 minutes. But whole day you want to break. Whole day you want break. Instead of the pledge of elegance. Daily, what we will do in the morning time? Whenever we enter the class, first we will do prayer. Children will do pledge. Because we will be honest in the school. We will be honest in the school. Pledge mean promise. Pledge mean promise. Do you know pledge? How do we do? How you will do? We stretch our hands and do pledge. And elegance mean faithfulness. Elegance means faithfulness. We will sing a rock and roll song. Instead of the pledge, you want to sing only song. Which song? Rock and roll song. In this poem, in this stanza also, we have two rhyming words. Did you find out? Yes, long song. L-O-N-G long, S-O-N-G song. Next, see the third stanza. We will only play games in the classroom. We will only play games in the classroom. We are welcome to bring in your toys. It's okay to run in the hallways. It's great if you make lots of noise. We will only play games in the classroom. Teachers are allow the children to play games in the classroom. Actually, In the classroom, what will we do? The teacher will teach the lesson and ask question and answers. The children sit and listen, writing, reading, but they want to play in the classroom. You are welcome to bring in your toys. The teacher said, bring your toys and play in the classrooms. It's okay to run in the hallways. Hallways mean corridors, classroom, like that. Actually, we sit in the classroom and walk on the corridors. But here they are allowed to them to run in the hallways also. Actually, what the teacher said, children, sit properly, don't make noise. But here see, it's great if you make lots of noise. Actually, what teacher said in the classroom, if we are making noise, teacher said, children, keep quiet, like this. But here, the teacher said, you make lots of noise. Next, let's see the fourth stanza. For homework, you will play your video. You will have to watch lots of TV. For field trips, we will go to the movies and get lots of candies for free. See once again. For homework, you will play your video. You will have to watch lots of TV. Oh, children are very happy. Why? As a homework, the teacher give watching TV, play games, like this. What your teacher give? Write 5 times homework, slate work, learnings. But they want they give play your video games and watch lots of TV. Next, for field trips. Field trip means student going to study something. Student going to study something. Like historical places, like this. But what they want for field trips, we will go to the movies. Actually, students going to study something for field trips, but they went to movies and get lots of candies for free. In the movie break time, what we eat? We eat popcorn, drink Coca-Cola, like that. But here what the teacher give them? Candies. Candies means toffees, chocolates, like that. Candies as for free also. As free also. In this poem, 2 rhyming words. Say, TV free. TV free. These are the rhyming words. Next, see the 5th stanza. The lunchroom will only serve chocolates. The lunchroom will only serve chocolate. And triple fudge sundaes supreme. And triple fudge sundaes supreme. Yes, that's what I heard from my teacher before I woke up from my dream. Actually, in the lunchtime, what we will eat? Rice, dal, chapati, like this. But in the lunchtime, teacher will provide them chocolates, ice creams. Triple fudge sundaes mean ice creams. Sundaes mean ice cream. This is the dream the boy got before woke up. See here, the boy woke up from the dream. Dream mean a series of thoughts occurring in a person's mind during sleep. Dream mean, suppose while we sleeping, the thoughts will get in the mind. This is the dream. Okay. In this stanza, 2 rhyming words is here. See, supreme, dream. Supreme, dream. Is it clear? Once again, read along with me the poem. First, read the lesson name. School has begun. See, dear students, the summer has ended. The school year at last has begun. But this year is totally different. I promise we will only have fun. I will ask one question. In this poem, 2 rhyming words. Say, what is that? Began, fun. Good. Who told these words? Who? Teacher. Next. See the second stanza. We won't study any mathematics. We won't study any mathematics and recess will last all day long. Recess mean break. Instead of the pledge. Pledge mean promise of elegance. Elegance mean faithfulness. Will sing a rock and roll song. Will sing a rock and roll song. In this poem also two rhyming words. Say what that? Long song. Long song. Next, third poem. We will only play games in the classroom. You are welcome to bring in your toys. It's okay to run in the hallways. It's great if you make lots of noise. In this poem also two rhyming words. What is that? Toys, noise. Toys, noise. For homework, you will play your video. You will have to watch lots of TV. For field trips, we will go to the movies and get lots of candies for free. See rhyming words. Say TV, free. Next. Field trips mean student going to study something. Student going to study something. Next. The lunch room will only serve chocolate and triple fudge sundaes supreme. Sundaes mean ice cream. A dish of ice cream with added ingredients. Yes, that's what I heard from my teacher before I woke up from my dream. Dream mean a series of thoughts occurring in a person's mind during sleep. In this poem, two rhyming words is there. Say supreme dream. Supreme dream. Say the author's name. Ken Nesbitt. Who? Ken Nesbitt. Let's see the questions. Say along with me. What promise did the teacher do? What promise did the teacher do? Say along with me. The teacher promised. The teacher promised. P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D. The teacher promised that they would have fun. Say once again. What promise did the teacher do? The teacher promised that they would have fun. Next. What will they sing? What will they sing? They mean students. They will sing a rock and roll song. Say, they will sing a rock and roll song. Next. Where will they play games? Already said, they mean students. Where will they play games? They will play games in the classroom. They will play games in the classroom. Fourth question. What will the lunchroom serve to the children? What will the lunchroom serve to the children? The lunchroom will serve chocolates. CHOCOLATES. Say once again. CHOCOLATES. Chocolates to the children. Say once again. The lunchroom will serve chocolates to the children. Next. What will the children do for their homework? What will the children do for their homework? The children will play their video for their homework. The children will play their video for their homework. Okay, copy these questions in your notebook and do practice 5 times. And read the poem also. Thank you.